go-to aircraft for rapid insertion and extraction of troops in dangerous locations. The defence launch goes, the answer is 2 Chinooks. What is the question? That's applied ever since 1980, is true today as it was then. The aircraft started to show by sitting up forward maneuver, then rapidly turned back to target, trading speed for height and factor. The crew in the cabin are beginning to prepare for the troop drop-off. The aircraft runs in for a downwind quick stop. They'll be simulating a late spot to the landing site to offload their troops and vehicle either on or off the battlefield. The crew need to be efficient here in reckoning their landing site, making sure it's suitable to land on in the minimum time possible, avoiding excess threat exposures. Now they've found their site, making an approach, crewman Josh up front is giving voice marshalling directions to Cal, talking him forwards and down onto the landing site, monitoring to the height of the aircraft and assessing the slope of the ground. Touching down now, if you look to the rear, you'll see our crewman on the ramp, Flight Sergeant Dave Sims. He was born and raised in Margate, Kent, and he joined the RAF in 2014 as a weapons systems operator. He's been on the Chinook Force since 2017. He's a qualified crewman instructor with over 2,000 hours on rotary platforms. When Dave's not in work, and occasionally during work, he can be found on the golf course. Now riding into the roll demo with style today, we have members of the Joint Helicopter Support Squadron. Keep half an eye on that quad bike to see just how quickly these enablers can work. With the troops and quad bike on, the aircraft's now departed with an over-the-shoulder transition. This is a defensive manoeuvre presenting the floor ballistic protection towards a probable enemy. This gives the aircraft and any occupants the greatest chance of protection from any threats on the ground. With the aircraft now turned away, Cal will be climbing the aircraft up to return and provide some mutual support. Think of this as overhead protection for the troops now exposed on the ground, or alternatively it could allow a pair of Chinooks to land in sequence without a loss of airborne protection. So handling the aircraft for you today as captain is Flight Lieutenant Callum Pearson. Cal's originally from Middlesbrough and joined the RAF in 2010. He got his wings in 2016, was streamed rotary and completed the OCU and went to Odium in 2018. He's got 2,000 hours, 1,400 on Chinook, and has flown most recently operationally on Shader. He's an instructor, and when he's not throwing the Chinook around, he's throwing weights around in the gym. Now high up in the profile, the Chinook can be fitted with an M60 machine gun on the ramp and 2 M134 miniguns on the port and starboard sides. Each of these is capable of firing 3,000 rounds a minute. Introduce our co-pilot in today's show. We're carrying the cockpit as Lieutenant Jacob Cameron Johnson. CJ has been spotting in as well in the Yorkshire and joined the RAF in 2016. Those moves in 21, spent the first 12 months in that Aviation like weapons, offline them and other experienced passengers around the great duty from Woodruff. He's the baby of the team, only having joined the front line in 2013, so please feel free to call him a now. We all know the best noise in the world is that bit of blade slap. The crew are now showcasing an exciting and versatile capability of the Chinook. After repositioning once more, they've run in for a fast roping approach, decelerating the aircraft rapidly to accurately dispatch troops on a tight landing site. Think about a rooftop or the deck of a ship, but today it's in front of you lucky devils. In the starboard door, you can see Josh kicking his rope out while Dave does the same on the ramp. The Chinook can simultaneously dispatch from 4 ropes if required, 1 from the door, 1 in the centre hatch and 2 from the ramp, whether they're fast ropes or abseil ropes depends on the task. Having been through the green on call from Cal, Josh and Dave sent their ropes out and up to 30 troops could have departed that hovering Chinook in less than 2 minutes. It's not just troops, stores of kit, and even the furry land sharks, more formerly known as military working dogs, can go down with ropes. They give the enemy pause for thought as they miss them by a whisker. Chinooks have of course been used in operations moving stores, freight and vehicles everywhere from Afghan to where you watch. The Chinook albeit with a few of the bits cut off to save some weight. With a maximum all-out mass of 24.5 tonnes, this powerhouse can comfortably fit 30 troopers this size, with a seating on the floor up to 50. The raw power and versatility of the Chinook is all down to its iconic tandem race design. It provides a huge amount of length, a large cabin, and is all tuned out of the outdated 25 tail rotors, making reaching in type of absolutely no power. That one was a pretty decent size, too. As the crew are demonstrating an unslung circuit for you, we'd better mention some of our hooking team. With that beat, the demo is at an end. One more time everyone, please put your hands together for the 2025 Chinook roll demonstration. Sit up.